Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to delete your TapTap send account. So let's dive into it. But before that, make sure to subscribe to the channel because it actually helps me out. So the first thing to do is to launch the app on your phone, then sign into your TapTap send account. Then from there, go to the profile, then tap your profile icon in the top right corner and open the help or support. Scroll down and select help or contact support, then choose the chat or the email option and request for account deletion. Then after that, provide any required details like your registered phone number or your email, then confirm deletion. So the support will confirm once your account is permanently deleted, and that's how you can easily delete TapTap send account. Hope you find the video helpful. With a turn on revision button and subscribe for more.